This road is crazy.
10 miles an hour, hairpin turns. We are on the $1 Million Highway.
The views that I've been able to see so far are gorgeous. They're just making me very anxious because I don't like heights. Like on the edge, there's no border, there's nothing. And like you could just see so far down and it's like, nope.
I'm digging it.
Yeah, I'm a little full of anxiety. Always waiting on him. He's got to get all pretty. Look at the shimmer in that beard.
Silver fox. Oh yeah. Hi, I'm Craig.
And I'm Heidi.
And there's Tater over there moping because we are about to leave this camp spot and head to our next destination, which is exciting for us because we've never been there before.
Yeah, this will be all brand new where we're going. Supposed to be some great scenery along the way, so I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
There's a road that's supposed to be kind of scary, I guess. I don't know. We've never been there, so we'll see.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna
She doesn't like heights and windy roads, so I think she's gonna have some problems.
I'm gonna have a little panic attack.
It'll
be fine and it'll be worth it.
And I'll be fine. I don't care about that.
Yeah, he doesn't.
We'll just take it easy, go slow. We are dragging the Jeep behind this.
Yeah. So stay tuned for what's to come today.
Yeah. See you later, Spot.
Go see the big river.
Oh, dude, look at him.
He's like, that's some big water.
What do you think, dude? What do you think, chick?
It's beautiful.
You gonna get a drink?
That's so cool, huh? Lego.
Headed out. Look at that. That is beautiful, isn't it? Thank you, Stan, for letting us stay at your awesome camp spot. We loved it. Now we gotta go. Saw Pit.
There's one gas station.
We need to dump trash and get water.
Yes.
Well, that was cool.
That was cool.
What was that place called? Ridgeway Country Market?
Yes.
We just filled up our water tank, about 30 gallons. The lady said I could use a spigot outside and our 25-foot hose reached, so that was awesome.
Yeah.
I can't hold this camera and drive apparently, but we're in Ridgeway and we're headed towards Ridgeway again.
So Silverton, 23 miles, Durango, 74.
And this is the $1 Million Highway?
Yeah. This road is crazy.
10 miles an hour. Hairpin turns. We are on the $1 Million Highway, right?
Yes. And the views that I've been able to see so far are gorgeous. They're just making me very anxious because I don't like heights.
Chicks are scared.
We're like on the edge. There's no border. There's nothing. And like you could just see so far down and it's like, nope.
It's pretty cool though. I mean, it's definitely steep uphill action.
There's supposed to be a waterfall in here somewhere, but I don't know where. And my phone doesn't have
That dude had a
signal.
GoPro on the front of his hood.
Nice.
Oh boy.
Yeah, if you get car sick, this is probably not a good road. But they say this is the only road. The other one, there is one other way, but it's much longer, they said. And if you can handle the height and the squiggliness, then you'll be all right.
I'm digging it.
Yeah, I'm a little full of anxiety. A little full.
Me and Tater are just cruising. Here, I thought I was a slippery. Look at this dude. Yikes.
Oh, now you get to see the cliff on that
Oh,
side.
dude, look, there's a cool little mine thing right there. We're in Silverton. That's a cool little house.
Home of the Russian princess in 1883.
What the hell? Where'd you read that? Oh. Russian princess. Who's that? Look at that church.
Oh, the Shady Lady Saloon.
Oh man, check this place out. This is like an old west. Come on, dude. Look at this place.
Oh, that's cool.
That's where you get the old western. Look at this.
This is the restrooms.
I told you I was sick. Dude, this place is crazy looking. Why is there an anchor? That doesn't fit with cowboy stuff. Look at this bike.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like a 3-seater. What in the heck?
That is cool.
What's going on with that, dude? That's kind of weird.
10-cent booking, 25-cent Philly, or 50-cent Dewey.
Let's check out this place, dude. Think Tater can come in?
It doesn't say no pets.
You want to come in, dude?
He looks like a piggy.
His name is Tater. He looks like a tater tot.
Hi, Tater. Hi, Tater.
Make yourself at home, dude. Just chill right there, okay? Gotta find a magnet. That's the one you're gonna get?
Mm-hmm. You're so cute. Oh, you like butts. Okay.
He's dirty. We've been camping.
Oh, we are too, so we understand. Ours, we just put ours in the car for a little bit.
Come on, dude. You making new friends, dude? You're making friends all over the place.
You're lucky you're in Colorado.
Yeah.
They like Subarus and dogs.
Yeah.
Don't stop. Nobody loves me. Nobody loves me, huh?
Nope.
Because nobody loves me. I'm so not loved. Look how skinny I am.
He just gonna make himself right here. Say hi.
Hi there.
Tater.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tater?
Tater.
Yeah. I like that.
He's a couch potato. That's how he earned his name. And he looks like a tater tot. Come on, dude.
Oh, he's so cute.
He's dirty. We've been camping.
That's all right.
Tater. That's his TikTok and on his patch. Tater the dude. That's it. He's got like 2,500, 2,400 followers on TikTok. Instagram.
Mr. Popular, huh?
People either love him or they're afraid of him. I don't get it. There's like no in between.
There's nothing that's scary about him. Look at him. He's so tiny. Yeah.
You make new friends, dude? Show your teeth. Show your snaggle teeth.
Oh, you're
Come on, dude. We gotta go eat.
Alright, I'll let you go.
Alright. Come on, dude. Tater made a new friend.
Okay, see what you want.
We are eating at Three Pits Barbecue in Silverton, Colorado. What did you get?
Oh, I got a whole variety of stuff. Pork, brisket,
Brisket?
ribs.
Really? Did it have like a sample plate?
Yeah. All right. All right.
The light eater with the mash. Your fried pickles.
Nice. Thank you.
Dried pickles?
Yeah. Don't judge me. fried pickles are good.
Mmm.
That was good, huh? Probably the best damn pickle I've ever had. So there's pulled pork, brisket, and ribs. This is brisket. Mmm.
Let's try it. Not bad. Not bad.
Mashed potatoes are like
You can't see
KFC.
tater in there, huh? Let's try their mashed potatoes.
Mmm. Their beans are good. There's a little spice in there.
Mmm.
In a crock pot.
I do like those.
Those beans are good. Overall, give it a 7.
Don't tell chick, dude. Chick, you didn't see that. Chick, you deserve some barbecue.
That's not the point if he deserves it.
What the hell? What's that about?
Oh, you left your keys there?
You left all this up on the counter.
Holy cow.
Hey.
My wallet and everything.
Yep.
Oh,
Wow.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
I was looking, I was like, they couldn't have gone too far. So I figured,
Dang.
I'll go drive around until I hit his alarm. Because he's missing his...
Yeah, we wouldn't have got far without that.
Well, good. I'm glad I got you.
Yes,
Yep.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem. We closed the shop, so I didn't...
Oh, well, I appreciate
We
that.
left a sign on it, Taters down. We have your keys. Here's the number to call.
Thank you. Well, we're pooped.
Yeah, it was a long day of driving. We stopped in Silverton.
Yeah,
That was pretty cool, but
Had
we were
lunch at
up
the
late
barbecue.
last night.
I was up really late last night. I am just so beat. It's like what? Not even 8 o'clock. We found a place to camp. We'll show you in the morning, but it's basically just a turn off on the road for us. It is a campground. We are actually in a camp spot, but it's
Yeah.
more like a tent spot for like camping down there. We're just parked up at the street level.
Yeah.
And so we're just gonna chill, lay down, watch some YouTube, catch up on some stuff since we haven't had signal in days.
Yep, and today we do. So we'll catch up and then we'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, I am so tired. I don't even think I'm gonna make it through one video.
Probably not.
Well, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good night,
Good night.
Tater. Good night, dude.